Good morning. Welcome back. This is the day 4 of a 5-day Kaggle AI agent course. In this today, we are going to learn about the agent observation and agent evaluation. In this session, we have two notebooks. This is the first session. We are going with the agent observation. In previous, we are learn about what, how, and how memory management will work. It mainly focus on the long-term and short-term memory, which used to store the data and retrieve the data from the databases for the agents. Here we mainly focus on the first part is about agent observability. Observability in the sense, the main challenge is like when the traditional softwares are failed to predict, AI models can fail. For example, see here we given you one example like find a quantum computer paper. The agent said it cannot help you with that request. Why it is any wrong with the prompt or missing with the tools? It is an API error. We don't know everything, anything. What is the error mainly occurs? So the agent observation gives the complete visibility of the decision making where the processor the prompt sends to the LLM, which gives available how the agent should respond and how should it work. Where the here we see here the failure occurs. So the main fundamental pillars are the three fundamental pillars that we occurs for the agent observability. See here is the logs, traits, and matrix. These three things are the main of the functions of the agent availability. Uh, and then we are when we are going to this notebook, we have to first set up as we know before as we discuss about this node. We have to working on the Kaggle notebooks. This is the setup we have to take and we have to configure with our API key. And this is the login and clean up old files, which means it captures the debugs on the other like that. Here is the proxy HTMLs. We have to set up the HTML proxies. Then here we are going to using the ADK web UI. For UI we are using ADK web UI. And then here is another LLM agent we are going to build. Here we are going to run the agent. And here we're going to test the agent with web UI. Follow the steps to test our agent. This is how our functions calls in the event. I hope everyone can see the screen. See here we are going to give the user will give the prompt. So find the latest quantum computer paper. In the agent Google search and the count papers, and we got the response here. See, this is the response we got. We found 2582 papers, and this is how it runs. It shows all the functionalities, how it works, and this is the time results we got. And then we have to stop the UI, and this is the login in the production. See now how let me now we will test this. There are two problems when here we are going to face here. See, let me open the ADK web page to check my agent page. See DevOps, this is the production server. No web UI is accessed. See, if you got this type of problems when we are going with the production. So this is the solution where you can capture the data in observability in the words. See, when we this is the clear callback architecture for the agent observation to get to solve this problem. This is the complete architecture. See, this is how we work, and then we'll go for the model evaluation. See, we have to know the how the model how the our agent is trained, how it is working. The main this is the approach where we get a model evaluation comes into the picture. See, this is the what is model when we talk about evaluation, you have to give in general we will give marks to the student how you wrote in an exam, like we will give. So this is the that kind of way we will give the marks to the agents, like how it is working on different scenarios than the quality I mentioned. There are some checkbox should be ticked for the evaluation. See, this is the problems we are going to face. This is the standard testing is not equal to evaluation. This is also different types of traditional software to do this. And this is the same we are going to test as we will see the before. And then This is the architecture we are going to follow. And then you will day 5 in the next video we'll see how to deploy the product and how to extend with agent to agent, means how to one agent should be conversation with the another agent. This is called a to a protocol. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.